hello. Welcome traders, welcome. Welcome traders, welcome to Precious Pips. I hope all of you are doing good. A very good afternoon to all of you. Let's go traders, smash that like button. And please comment who is watching. Welcome everybody. My voice is audible, please let me know in the comment section. Please let me know in the comment section if my voice is loud and clear, audible. Not audible. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Justin, thank you for confirming, brother. Thank you so much. I hope all of you are doing good. A very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to Precious Pips. So guys, how was your day yesterday? Easy market, right? Easy, very easy. Easy market, easy. So yesterday we marked the liquidity levels. Okay, so this is actually yesterday. Okay, day before yesterday's low. Okay, so we were trading yesterday. So this low is day before yesterday's low. Okay, and this is previous month and previous week low. How beautifully liquidated, and again beautiful up move. And yesterday I also told you, once we break this trend line, then market can liquidate these levels. Okay, so beautiful simple market. So that is why traders, I told you to take minimum loss in this trade. Okay, so now you understand why we took minimum loss in this trade. See, even if we took 80 to 100 pips here, then you see market immediately recovered more than 600 pips. Okay, 600, 700 pips. So even if this is our stop loss, so our next trade is profit. Okay, so even if you miss this trade after the liquidity, you can capture this up move. So that's how you trade. That's how you trade. Minimize your stop loss, minimize your risk, and maximize your profits. Understood? Who else is watching? Smash that like button. Who else is watching? Smash that like button. Let's go. All right, traders. So today is Tuesday, 30th of June. Okay, so last trading day of this month, June month. And today you can see we have orange folder news event, that is medium impact news event. Okay, that is CB consumer confidence, JOLTS job openings. Okay, so medium impact news. Okay, so you can even filter from here. So you can see red folder, highest impact, medium impact, low impact, and micro impact. This is very low. Okay, so yesterday also we saw Monday and Tuesday we don't have any news event. So Wednesday, that is tomorrow. So tomorrow we have the ISM manufacturing PMI. Okay, and day after tomorrow we have average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate. Is there anyone who caught this move? Please let me know in the comment section. If you missed this move, you caught this move, you can easily catch this move. Okay, this was in the Asian session before the beginning of the London session. So you see, only 2 candles, 3 candles covered this whole move, this whole bear move. Anyone took this trade? So please let me know in the comment section. And we already discussed dollar index. Okay, so which is here, I think. Okay, traders, so we already discussed dollar index, so you can see. Oh, you missed it, bro. Radhe Radhe, welcome to our stream, my friend. No problem, brother, no problem. So you follow my analysis on daily basis. So I'll be consistently live. Okay, so don't worry about that. So because we missed this move, actually, we missed this move. So that is why I was not live. Okay, so we already missed this move. And dollar index, you can see, traders, dollar index is super bullish. So yesterday we did analysis on dollar index. Okay, so you can see over here. So this was our analysis. So in the weekly time frame also, I've shown you all the levels. Okay, I told you this level is very important. Okay, you can see from the mid of the 2023, this level is very key level. Okay, super important key level. Support, and after it break downwards, so it took resistance, and now we got a successful breakout. Okay, so we got a successful breakout. So you can see over here 2025 and almost half of 2026. So fully gold, dollar index was bearish due to war situations. Okay, due to war situations. And yesterday I already told you, today there's a meeting. Okay, so yesterday we saw there's a meeting going on. So always be updated with the forex factory news. Okay, always be updated with the forex factory news. So pretty simple analysis. So that is why traders, trade, you have to take trades, you have to execute trades in the most probable areas. Okay, in the most probable areas. Don't trade anywhere. Don't trade just looking at the candle, using some indicator. Understand the whole logic, understand the whole buy sell setups. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so if you are especially if you are new into forex, so then what you can do is you can simply first go to the daily time frame and you can plot all the days. Okay, like this. You can plot all the days like this. I'll show you an example over here, and then come back to the 15 minutes. So then you'll be getting the whole data of each day. Okay, whole data of each and every day. So what you can do is you can just identify what happened in the previous day. Okay, so what happened in the previous day, you can just identify. For example, let's take this example. This is 25th of June 2026. Okay, so previous day what happened? So we saw large selling. Okay, so this is 24 over here. So I would like to mark this also. Okay, so I have marked this also. So you can see we are doing analysis for 25th of June. So what happened on 24th of June? So we saw a huge massive selling. After that massive selling, so you see here we got a stop. So here buyers were interested. Okay, so here buyers were interested. So you see, here buyers were interested. Here also buyers were interested. These were early buyers and their stop loss was taken out. Okay, so their stop loss was hunted. Their stop loss was hunted and these buyers were in. Okay, so these buyers were in. So you see next day simply what happened. So these buyers were in control. These buyers were in control. So now we know after such a huge selling, so these buyers are running the market now. Okay, so these are the buyers. All right, so we identified this. And what else we can identify? So after whole day, buyers were in control. And at the end of the day, at the end of the London session, we saw some sellers entering into the market. Got it? We saw some sellers entering into the market. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark this as green because this will indicate the buyers, and I'm going to mark this as red, so which will indicate the sellers. Got it? Very simple. You don't need any indicators, you don't need any paid courses, you don't need nothing. Okay, just focus on my analysis. Very simple and easy. I always try not to confuse you. Okay, so all right, so these are the sellers. Got it? So these are the sellers. So you see how I was able to identify. Very simple, very simple. Okay, so step by step you try to identify what's happening on a daily, day-to-day basis. Okay, what is happening on a day-to-day basis. All right, so we saw that after a huge selling. Okay, after a huge selling, and also you can mark these sellers as well. Okay, so you can mark these sellers as well. So these are the sellers, right? These are the sellers, right? These are visible. You can see this with your naked eyes. Okay, so you don't need an indicator, you don't need nothing. Okay, so simply sellers are there. Simply, simple, very simple. I'm explaining you in a very simple language. So these are all the sellers. Okay, so these are the sellers. And here buyers entered on 25th. On 25th buyers entered, and at the end of the US session, some sellers entered and they continued throughout the Asian session. Okay, and then what happened? Again here buyers entered. Okay, so this way you are able to keep a track on the buyers and sellers. Okay, so this way you are able to track the buyers and sellers. Now you see, now we know there are buyers available. Here there are sellers. So what happened the next day? This is 25th. On 26th, what happened? So these sellers were taken out. You see, very simple. So these sellers were taken out. After these sellers were taken out, so you see we got a buy move. Beautiful buy move, beautiful buy move. So on this retracement, you can simply place your order. You can simply place your order. Keep a tight stop loss according to you. And this is our target. Okay, so this is how you can trade simply. But I give you deep analysis of all the liquidity available, each and everything, market structure, including the market structure, right? So you see what happened. So these sellers, they continued from the same position. Okay, so they continued from the same position. You see these sellers. So we can already see sellers are in control. So you can see more sellers than the buyers. Got it? So this way you can keep a track of each and every day. Good morning, Muhammad Abdullahi. Muhammad Abdullahi, welcome to our stream, brother. A very good afternoon to you. I hope you're doing good, your family is doing good, and I hope you captured yesterday's move. So you understood, traders, how you can do a very simple analysis. So now you see here, you can also see this trend line. where the buyers got accumulated in this zone. Okay, so this is very simple. So you see, after this selling, here the selling was stopped. Again, the early buyers got liquidated, and then after here, the buyers continued. So it's pretty simple that we formed a trend line. When we formed a trend line, this trend line was simply broken. Sellers took control. Even if you're not trading here, so you can easily catch this move. So even if you are not able to catch this move after this trend line break, you can easily capture this move, right? You can easily capture this move, and you need to mix this with liquidity. You can mix this with liquidity. So same thing is the same thing, but in a different way, different approach. Okay, so in a professional manner. I'm doing this in a professional manner. Got it, traders? So don't be like, I just want to trade, I just want to execute the trade. Understand the logic, understand the behavior of the market, understand who is in control, understand each and everything. I hope my voice is audible, traders, loud and clear. If any issue, so please let me know. So this will be a quick session, okay, and rest I'll be live in the US session. Let's go, traders. Smash 10 likes. Let's go. Any doubts, any queries? So we'll update our levels. We'll update our levels now. Okay. So this was yesterday's candle. Okay, so this was the yesterday's candle formed, and we marked this low and this low. So what I told you about the probabilities, you don't confuse yourself. Okay, so you don't confuse yourself. What I told you about the probabilities, probability number 1, candle will go up, break the high and close here itself. Probability number 2, candle will go down, break the low and close here itself. Okay, so 2 probabilities done. What is the third probability? Third probability is the same, like the price will be inside this zone. Okay, the price, the candle will be formed inside this zone, inside the high and low. So that's the third probability. Okay, so that's the third probability. And what's the fourth probability? So fourth probability is, listen carefully, the fourth probability is market will go up, break the high, come down below, close in between here. Okay, fifth probability, market will go down, liquidate, come up and close here. So these are the very only few probabilities you need to focus on. Don't confuse yourself. Don't confuse yourself. So here we got a beautiful example. So if we mark yesterday's low, so what happened? So we liquidated each and everything, and then we came up, and now it looks like we are gonna close here, in this range. Understood, guys? Understood? The simple your analysis, the more profitable you're gonna become. Okay, the simpler your analysis, the more profitable you're gonna become. Don't confuse yourself. Don't run behind multiple strategies. Don't run behind multiple indicators. Okay, just try to understand where are the retail players. Where are the retail players? Okay, once you understand, once you start looking at the retail stop losses, then I can guarantee you, you will be definitely able to catch beautiful trades. Even if you're making losses, your next trade will be jackpot. Okay, so your next trade will be jackpot. You see this example, and yesterday you can check out my stream. I clearly mentioned you that try to enter from this range with a tight stop loss. Okay, with a tight stop loss, there is no need to give 200 pips stop loss here. So I told you to risk only 80 to 100 pips. Okay, and I also told you if price is not giving us demand from here, and once we got a breakout of this zone, on the retracement you guys can enter. So you see how beautifully this sell move was done, and I also gave you the liquidity levels, which are very very important, and you can see yourself. After this liquidity we formed a bullish move and we continued throughout the London session. Okay, so this is how you trade. Don't confuse yourself. Okay, and please do this as take this as your homework. Okay, so take this as your homework. You try to you can do this even in pairs. You can do it even in pairs. It's not compulsory like you need to do it in gold only. If you are comfortable with major pairs like Euro USD, USD JPY, USD CAD. Okay, so if you are comfortable with the major pairs, then you can definitely trade with major pairs, GBP, JPY, whatever you like. Okay, it depends on you. If you want to trade in gold, you do it in gold. So any instrument, you try to find the retailer's stop loss. Got it? So retailer's stop loss. You see, now what I want to explain you, beautiful examples are here. All right, so I'll continue with this example. So now you see, we saw huge selling. Okay, so we saw huge selling, and now just imagine, now we are starting our analysis from 24th. Okay, 24th, which is this area. Okay, so this is 24th. Got it? So what happened? So after this huge selling, so now we can see with our naked eyes that yeah, these are the sellers, these are the sellers. Okay, so I marked this very simply. And what happened afterwards? So you see, after such a huge selling, so here was the stop. Okay, here was the stop. So like F1 race, like they have a stop, pit stop. So this was our stop. Okay, so you see buyers entered, they tried to recover, but this was a fake buy move and they got liquidated. And after the liquidity, the real buyers entered. Okay, so real buyers entered. So now we know that buyers are here. Okay, so now we already know buyers are here. Okay, so buyers stop losses are here. So I'll extend this also. Okay, so now we already know that the buyers are here, and also these were the lows. Okay, so this was the monthly plus weekly low as well, so you need to mark that as well. Okay, so everything you need to mark. Okay, so in short, this was the monthly plus weekly low as well. Okay, last previous month and previous week. Okay, so what happened? So buyers entered here in this range, so they created a buy move, and obviously traders, we know that the move is currently bearish now. Okay, so at some point they are gonna get liquidated. Okay, so that way you can also make use of the trend lines, you can make use of the Fibonacci, you can make use of volume. So there are a lot of things. Okay, so step by step I'll try to explain you guys. Okay, so as of now, this is your homework. What you need to do is, whatever you can see with your naked eyes, like sellers, buyers, you try to mark those retailers. Okay, very obvious moves, very pretty obvious move. I'm not talking about these all internal liquidity, so that's advanced topic. Okay, so which we will be covering in the future, but try to mark the very obvious buyers and sellers. Believe me, you don't need any strategy. And traders, let me tell you, there is no strategy in the market. Okay, so please let me write it, allow me to write it over here. Oops, there is no strategy in the market. Literally, believe me guys, there is no strategy. So every day is a new day. Okay, so every day is a new day. So you need to be aware of each and everything, from the monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hourly, everything. So you need to know each and everything. Okay, so where is the previous week low, previous month low, the current week going on, current day going on, previous day going on. Okay, so you need to know each and everything. wherever you have the most extra confluence, wherever like this you see traders. So rather than trading this, I was interested in this liquidity hunt. Okay, so I was interested in this liquidity hunt. So I took a trade in this range after this breakout. Okay, so yesterday itself I got started, so please allow me some time. So I'll be updating in the Telegram channel, so you don't need to pay anything, everything is for free. I'm here to help my community. Okay, I'm here to share my knowledge, I'm here to help my community, so you make use of it. And right now you can see traders, gold is trading near 4,000 level. Okay, so previously we were trading near 5600. So can you believe, we were trading near 5600 and we were trying to hit the 6000 level. Okay, and many analysts are saying that before 2030 gold can hit 10,000 level. Okay, gold can hit 10,000 level. So it's an opportunity to change our lives, to build a fortune for ourselves and our family. Okay traders, so we are not gonna miss this chance. Okay, so I'm consistent now, so that is why you only trade the most probable area with the most confluences. The extra confluences you have, the better trades you can execute. Okay, so rather than trading this, and I already told you to minimize your stop losses and always try to minimize your risk and maximize your profit. So only trade in the areas where you have the maximum risk reward. Okay, where you have the maximum risk reward. So you see, even if this just imagine this trade worked, if this trade works, so our risk reward was 1:10. Okay, so our risk reward was 1:10, and immediately I told you after this trend line breakout, price will be coming to hunt these liquidities. Okay, so we got a breakout and a retracement. Okay, from the near order blocks, okay, so you can see from the very near order blocks. So market fall sharply, not a single green candle in this range. Okay, so this was all prepared, so I told you guys, market will be preparing, market will be building liquidities, market will be hunting liquidities, because we have important news events on Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, and on Friday, remember there's a bank holiday in the United States, there's a bank holiday. Okay, so maybe markets will be closed, I don't know. So there's a bank holiday, so we are not gonna trade on Friday. So I already told you Wednesday and Thursday very important, and Monday and Tuesday market will be building liquidity. Got it traders? So this is how you can this is how a beginner can also identify the market. Don't be like using the indicators, don't be that type of guy believing everything that you see on YouTube, believing each and everything you see in the PDFs. Don't be that guy. Okay, so use your own brain, okay, so God gave you brain, use your own brain. Okay, I'm here to help you, I'm here to clarify your doubts, I'm here to help you, so you can ask me all your doubts and your queries. Emmanuel McCarthy, welcome brother, welcome, very good morning to you. Emmanuel is my brother from Ghana. Okay, he's from Ghana or Nigeria, I don't remember. Welcome brother, welcome. I hope you're doing good brother, I hope your family is doing wonderful. Okay, so this is your homework traders, this is your homework. So tomorrow I want you guys to do this. I mean, from today itself you start doing it. Okay, so from today itself you start doing it. All you need to do is you only mark the buyers and sellers, obvious buyers and sellers, what you can you can see with your naked eyes. Okay, very obvious buyers and sellers. I'm not talking very advanced concepts, so this is very simple concepts. And how you need to divide your days, I have already explained you. Okay, I have already explained you how you need to divide your days. So you just press on the control button and you just keep copying it. Okay, so you just keep copying it like this way, you just keep copying it, copy. This is on the daily time frame. Okay, so this is on the daily time frame. And Emmanuel, please, this is a homework for you as well. So you're a beginner, so this will help you a lot in your trading journey. Okay, so now you see, now I have let me delete this. Okay, so you can see traders, now I let me delete this also. And yeah, please remember, there is no strategy in the market. Okay, your brain is the strategy, your brain, yourself, you are the strategy. Okay, so this way, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to mark each and everything. Okay, so 23rd is remaining, let me mark that as well. Here we go, done, boom. Come back to the 15 minutes, and now what we're gonna do is I'll show you once again what you need to do exactly. Okay, so here you can see 23rd of June. So this is 23rd of June. Okay, 23rd of June. And what happened on the 23rd of June? So I'm gonna keep it like this. Okay, so I can see only 23rd. So this is whole 23rd of June. So what happened on the 23rd of June? I can see some sellers. Okay, I can see some sellers. Whatever I can see with my naked eyes, I'm gonna mark this. Okay, so beautiful sellers in this range. So you can see very aggressive sellers from this range. Okay, it's very obvious, guys, it's very obvious, no need to explain anything on this. Okay, and I'm not calculating this day. Okay, I'm not calculating this day, I'm just calculating this day. Okay, so this is 23rd, this is 23rd. So what I can see is I can see some sellers entering into the market. All right, all right. So what happened? So after these sellers, so you can see the sellers were stopped here. Okay, sellers were stopped here. So what I can see is some buyers entered from this range. Some buyers, okay, not aggressive buyers, some buyers, but yes, buyers are there. Okay, so buyers are there, so I'm definitely gonna mark this. So mark this as green. Let's go, baby, done. Done, baby, done. Okay, so you see what happened on the next day. So I saw some sellers entering from here. So again, these were the buyers, and again sellers started entering at the end of the London session. Okay, so at the end of the London session, so next day what happened? So you see buyers were available over here, stop loss hit, retraced, and again come back. Okay, so the same way you see, if I continue like this, boom. Okay, so these buyers were taken out of the market, and then beautiful move. No one will explain you simple like this. Okay, so everyone will try to sell their courses. All right, so we don't provide any mentorship. So already I told you recently, so there are some few people, okay, so who were interested, and they are the ones who will be getting all the mentorships one-on-one with me. Okay, and rest in my life, I swear to God, I'll never ever provide any mentorships. Okay, no fees, nothing. All you need to do is follow my analysis and start making money, start making profits, start building your capital. This is your chance. Start building capital. Okay, traders, start building capital. So you earn profits from the gold, from the forex market, and you try to invest that in different types of the market. Like you invest in silver, you invest in cryptos, whatever, you invest in some stocks. Okay, so divide your investments, divide your investments, have multiple investments, because you see, in the future, this is trading is the future. You already know it. Trading is the future, and already AI is there. So in future, everybody will be having their AI bots. So it's gonna be tough for us. Okay, so try to earn maximum money, as much as money you can. Try to build your capital, try to build your capital. Okay, try to build a portfolio. Understood, traders? Any doubts, any queries? So please let me know in the comment section. Radhe Radhe, it's possible to 38, brother, this week. Yeah, let me check. Let me check. So everyone understood this strategy. Any doubts, any queries? So you can see more continuation from here. So here also market continue. So here also market these are not any big levels, man. These are very simple. There is no strategy, bro. There is no strategy. It's very simple. It's very simple. It's literally very simple, guys. Very simple. Okay, so if you want me, guys, to specifically come live for I mean explaining all the strategies for beginners, so you guys can tell me. So I'll we'll plan on maybe Saturday, Sunday. So Saturday, Sunday, there's a holiday. Okay, markets are closed, so we can utilize Saturday and Sunday. Got it, brother? Any doubts, any queries? So please let me know in the comment section any doubts, any queries. And I hope my voice is audible. Is my camera stuck? Is my camera stuck? Let me see. Oh, I don't know. Come on. Hello, hello. Okay. Now it's active. All right. Guys, any doubts, any queries until now? Any doubts, any queries? So this will be a quick stream. Okay. So this is not gonna be a long stream. This is a quick stream. So I'll be coming live before the US session once again. Understood, guys, understood. And you also need to make use of the liquidity. What you see, what are the liquidities? I have explained you in my yesterday stream. There are two types of liquidity: internal liquidity and external liquidity. Okay, so advanced topics we'll be covering in the upcoming future. But as of now, try to keep it simple. Try to keep it simple. Don't think too much. Don't think too much. Okay, guys, don't think too much. Keep it simple. Very, very simple. Keep it simple. Okay, so now you see the sellers are getting accumulated in this region again and again. Okay, so what you can do is you can follow these sellers. You can follow these sellers and you can draw a trend line like this. Got it? So these are all the sellers accumulated. And here we have new stop losses, buyers entering into the market. Got it? So this way you need to work. Is there anything out of the box? Is there anything out of the box? And let's see now if we can hit which level? 3800 level. Let me see, bro. Let me see. Not 3800. I'm not sure about 3800, but this level is pretty obvious, man. This level is pretty obvious. This level is, don't try to get involved in swing positions. I'm telling you right now, don't try to get involved in the swing positions. If you want to get involved in the swing positions, wait for this liquidity hunt. Okay, so after this liquidity hunt, then only after some bullish momentums, bullish market structure, we can enter for long. Okay, but long also for limited time. Okay, so long also for limited time. So you can understand over here. So as of now, this is our 4-hour market structure. So yesterday I have explained you market structure very deeply. Okay, so in my yesterday's stream, I have explained you market structure deeply. So this is our 4-hour structure as of now, and we are expecting market to hit these levels. 38% level is the pretty obvious level, but we are expecting more deep into the shallow levels like this. 61% pretty obvious magic level. Okay, and also hunting these stop losses. Okay, which we have already marked over here. I'll show you. Okay, which we have marked already here. So you can see. And don't fear to give stop losses to the market. Okay, don't fear to give stop losses to the market. Okay, and one more thing. So daily also I have explained you guys. Daily also I have explained you. So this was our daily swing. Okay, so this was our daily swing, and as of now currently this swing is broken. Okay, so this is our daily whole swing. So market can retrace back here and then can show some more retracement back hunting this level, or else market might use the 4-hour structure and come hunt down these levels. So there are a few possibilities, okay, but it will take time, brother. It will take time. Yes, 3800 is possible, man. It will take time, okay? It will take time. And I've already explained you how to mark the liquidity levels. Okay, so let's mark the liquidity levels and we'll end this stream. So this is not gonna be a long stream, okay? All right, guys, all right. So let's mark our latest levels, okay? Okay, first thing first, you can see this daily low is here right now. Okay, so this is our current candle, today's candle, and this is our yesterday's candle. Okay, so this candle is very important. Okay, so what we are gonna do is we are gonna shift here. Okay, and this high will be shifted here. Got it? Okay, so this is our previous day high and this is our previous day low. Okay, rest weekly and monthly is the same. Got it? So rest weekly and monthly is the same. I'll show it to you. Okay, so you can see this is our current week. Okay, and this is our previous week, weekly high, weekly low, and pretty much same for the monthly as well. Okay, so you can see monthly high is here. Okay, guys, understood? And the monthly high will be a monthly high and low will be updated tomorrow. Okay, so because tomorrow is a new month, today is the last trading day of the June month. Okay, so tomorrow, new month, new start, new beginning. Forget all your losses and focus on your profits, upcoming future profits. Don't think anything negative for yourself. Okay, so you are the one who is making losses. You are the one who is making mistakes. You are the one thinking negative for your own, for yourself, and you keep complaining. Okay, don't be that guy, don't do like that. Okay, just think positive for yourself, just think positive for yourself. Okay, so everything will be fine. Don't think anything negative for you, for yourself. Got it? So monthly is updated, sorry, I mean daily is updated. So previous day high and low we have already marked, and monthly we can change tomorrow. Okay, so we still have time. And let's have a look at some of our engulfing levels if we have any new updated levels. And one more thing, here we have an engulfing level that we will be marking tomorrow. Okay, so it's pretty far from our price range, from the current market price. Okay, so we will be marking this tomorrow. Let's go, guys, let's complete 10 likes. Welcome, brother, welcome, Radhe Radhe, welcome, brother. Let's go, smash the like button. Let's go, complete 10 likes, traders, complete 10 likes. And all new viewers, I was not available, pardon me, I'm sorry, because my mom was undergoing a minor treatment, blood clot treatment. Okay, still undergoing, but everything is fine now, so I was not available. But from today onwards, from yesterday onwards, we are started and we will be consistent, I promise you on that. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to our channel, join Telegram channel, everything is for free. No paid, no subscription, nothing, no bullshit, only analysis and earning, pure earning. And what is my goal? My goal is to make you profitable. Okay, so you earn money, I feel happy, that's it. I need nothing from you. You start making your profits, you don't miss these opportunities, guys. Okay, so you don't miss these opportunities. Okay, so there are a lot of opportunities. So you see gold is currently trading near 4,000 level. So we have a beautiful opportunity, investment opportunity for long term, for short term, for swing traders, for intraday traders. Okay, so now this rally will make us a millionaire. Okay, so get ready, traders, get ready. Accumulate your capital. Okay, and deposit into your trading account. And if you want to join under my link, so I have provided the link. If you want to help our community, so I have provided the link in the description. So both XM and Vantage, they both are the #1 brokers, okay, forex brokers. So you can definitely rely on both the brokers. Okay, and let me tell you, one guy got arrested, WinPro FX scam, arrest. I'll show you over here. So you can see traders, forex scam with Pakistan link exposed after Ahmedabad man loses 19 lakhs. So this is 19 lakhs means this is near around 18 to 19k. Okay, let's consider 20 bands. Okay, 20 grand, 20k USD. Consider this amount. Okay, so you can see traders, Ahmedabad Cyber Police have arrested a Bihar man in an investment fraud linked to the forex and cryptocurrency platform WinPro FX. Okay, so this is Win, sorry, WinPro FX. Okay, so this is the broker. So be aware of this broker. They are not providing the withdrawals. Okay, so this person's 20k was stuck in the withdrawals, and he filed the complaint in the cyber crime. Okay, and the police already arrested that guy. Okay, police already arrested that guy. Yeah, this is it. So be aware where you invest your money, and make sure you cross check each and everything. Okay, so don't be that guy where you lose your hard-earned money in these scams. Okay guys, so be aware of this platform. If someone is using this platform, be aware of this platform, especially for Indians. Be aware of this platform. Okay, this is WinPro FX. Be aware. Okay, coming back to here. All right guys, so daily we don't have any levels, but we have these supply levels that we will be marking tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow we will mark each and everything. As of now, today I don't feel important, so price is here. So there's a lot to cover now, and today we don't have any news event, so this is impossible. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be marking this. So let's move on to the 4 hourly if we have anything. Okay guys, so you can see over here we made a beautiful support. Okay, so we need to mark this support. Let's mark this support. Beautiful support. All right, so this support is how many pips? 42 to 56. Okay, 140 pips. Okay, not a problem. We'll make this 140 pips. Okay, so this is our support as of now. Let me make it perfect. And this is 4 hour. Okay, so how I'm marking the levels, what is the psychology behind the engulfing and each and everything, so I'll be explaining you in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel and smash that like button. Let's go traders, let's complete 10 likes. Let's complete 10 likes. Only 2 likes to go. Let's go, let's complete 10 likes. All right traders, so we have marked our support level, which is here, and rest we don't have anything. Let's check out the 2 hours. So 2 hour, you can see traders, we have a lot of engulfings over here, which is of no use. Okay, because our main liquidity pool is lying around here. Okay, so marking this all everything will be a foolishness, so you don't mark this. Okay, our main liquidity is our main liquidity pool is lying around here, so you only focus on this liquidity pool. Okay, so understand, a level is powerful. Let me write it down for you. And I hope you understood this. Okay, I hope you understood this. So in my beginning days, when I was learning, so I used to trade like this. Okay, I used to trade like this. Very, very simple. I followed a lot of mentors. I followed a lot of mentors, but nothing worked. All they try to do is they try to confuse us. Okay, so they make things very hard so that we buy the courses, and yeah, that's what's going on. Okay, so today's world is very cruel, so don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone ever. Okay, so try to use your brain. try to use your own brain. Even if you're making losses, stick to one strategy. I mean, stick to your one formula, whatever you're using. Okay, whatever I am explaining you, stick to it and don't jump here and there. Okay, don't jump here and there. All right, so what I was explaining you, I was going to write down, yeah, level. A level is powerful only when there is liquidity. Got it, guys? Is it anything out of the box? Okay, so for example, you see, for example, so you see here, after this level was broken, so sellers entered from this level. Okay, sellers entered from this level. So now what do we have here? So this is a, you see, this is a, first this was a support that turned into a resistance. Okay, support turned into a resistance. So all these buyers who were interested, they also got into the selling. So this become more powerful. So I'll consider this level. Okay, so rather than using this level, for example, rather than using this small level, I'll consider this level. And you see how beautifully that level worked. Okay, understood? So write it down so you don't forget. Write it down. A level is powerful only when there is a liquidity. Okay, whenever there is a liquidity, so that level becomes more powerful. Got it, traders? And liquidity, there are many types of liquidity, so we will be covering each and everything in the upcoming videos. Okay, traders? So let's continue with our analysis. So 2 hours, you can see we don't have anything yet. And 1 hour, no need to mark 1 hour. Okay. And what you can do is you can always use the 9 and 15 moving average. Okay, 9 and 15 moving average. Okay, so 915 EMA exponential moving average strategy is a short-term intraday trading method that uses the 9 period and 15 period exponential moving averages to identify trend reversals and entry points. Because EMAs weigh recent price data more heavily, they react faster to market shifts than simple moving averages, making them ideal for capturing quick momentum. Okay, so you always use this 9 and 15 moving average. Okay, for your entries, for to define your stop losses, to define your execute your positions. Okay, and rest I provide you each and everything. So this is just use this as an extra confluence. Now don't try to only use this. Okay, don't be a fool, don't try to only use this, try to use this as extra confluences. Okay, and I also use other things as well, so I'll delete this as of now. For example, I'm using moving averages. Okay, different moving averages like this. Okay, so these are the different moving averages. So if you want a video on this, so 21, 50, 100 and 200. So if you want a specific video on this, so I'll provide a video for you guys so you understand each and everything. Okay, all right guys, so you can see as of now what happened. So we have already liquidated the previous day low. Okay, so this was our previous day low, and the weekly plus monthly low has been liquidated and a new support is formed. Okay, so new support is formed. So after liquidating this, you can see very aggressive buyers entering into the market. These are the aggressive buyers, and also there's a lot of FVG left here. Okay, so you can see a lot of FVG is here. So price can come to fill these FVGs. Okay, so here also you can see market created a FVG, small FVG, and immediately market covered the FVG and again gave a beautiful move. Okay, so these are all the institution buyers. Okay, so these are the institution buyers. So you can just look at the candles. Okay, so they are not retailers, they are the big sharks. They are not the retailers, they are not the retailers, because we knew, we were the one, we knew all the liquidity, where is the liquidity lying around. So we already marked the liquidity, and after grabbing the liquidity, so you see these are also the institutions. Okay, so they are also the institution. So these guys, they are also the institution. So you see they came very quickly to grab the liquidity, and after grabbing the liquidity, some retailers, and immediate institution entry. Okay, so there are some large institutions, there are small institutions like central banks, different banks, and there are many institutions. Okay, so large, small, micro, there are a lot of things. Okay, so which I'll be explaining you in the upcoming streams. Okay, so right now let's focus on the strategy. Okay, so this thing also I'm deleting as of now. This thing also I'm deleting as of now. Okay, so now today, you see, today we got the fresh buyers. Today we got the fresh buyers, and also we got a 4-hour support level. Okay, 4-hour support level, and this is our main liquidity. Okay, so this is our main liquidity. I'll show you, so you don't get confused. So this is our main liquidity, black line, you can see. Okay, so this is our main liquidity, which we have already marked. All right, I hope my video is not lagged. Okay, it's working. All right, guys, any comments? Any comments? Let's go, traders. Let's complete 10 likes. Only one like to go. Only one like. Let's go. Let's go. I actually captured this move. Okay. I took this trade with the help of 9 moving average, 9 and 15 moving average. Okay. So here was the break, but I was not satisfied with this. Okay. Why I was not satisfied? Because here we got the order block. Okay, so I already marked this 1 minute order block. So I was not really satisfied that market can directly fall from this range, because it respected the order block. Okay, so when we went up, so here I saw some rejections. Okay, here I saw some rejections. I saw some rejections, and again market came down. Okay, again market came down, and after this retracement, here I was kind of satisfied. Okay, on this candle I was kind of satisfied, because you see, after this red candle, immediate retracement, and again all the red candles, continuation of red candles. Okay, so big candle after this big candle, I was kind of satisfied that yes, market can hunt down the below liquidity levels. Okay, so what I did, I placed my order right here on this candle. Okay, on this candle, and I was adjusting my stop loss near around these levels. Okay, just above the moving average EMA, I'm sorry, just above the 915 EMA. And yes, I captured this beautiful move until this monthly low. Okay, which was 1:4, 1:4 in my case. Okay, that was a beautiful move, and I was not really confirmed, I was not really satisfied with this price move. Okay, I was not satisfied with this price move. Oh, so this was the only green candle. Okay, so let me zoom it for you. So you see in this range, so this was the only green candle. So when we got interacted with the order block, so yesterday itself I gave you this order block. Okay, so this was the only green candle, and immediately after that green candle, you see, this is what this is which candle? This is consolidation candle. Market is not confirmed yet. Okay, so you see candles like these, these are consolidation candles. Okay, so you see price action. So this was a good candle. I agree, this was a good candle. I took this trade. I executed this trade because stop loss was so small. And you see this green candle. I was satisfied with this candle. Okay. And I was thinking that the market could continue. Okay. But when I saw this price action, so I was like, yeah, there is very less probability now. Okay. So what I did is I trailed the stop loss to break even. Okay, I trailed my stop loss to break even. And I left it as it is. So when I was sleeping, so I exited out of this trade with a few pips profit. And then when the when the market break this level here, okay, so after this up move, so I was satisfied that the market is gonna come down, because you see from here market was struggling to move up. Okay, so market was struggling to move up. So two candles were good, but no third candle, green candle. So I was like, yeah. So market is going to hunt the below levels that were our daily and the monthly, weekly lows. Okay, so I was pretty confident. And still I wait. I was waiting. Still I was waiting. Okay, still I was waiting. And here, somewhere around here, I executed this trade. Okay, somewhere around here I executed the trade and I got the move until the monthly weekly low. Okay, so this is how you trade, guys. This is how you trade. Don't fear for your losses. Okay, so don't fear for your losses. And now what is our plan? So you can see, traders, already daily low is taken out. Okay, so I'm talking about the previous day low. Okay, so this candle. So already previous day low is taken out, and we saw a big push. And yesterday itself I told you that these stop losses are very important. And in the 4 hour time frame, so you see this in the 4 hour time frame. So this is our 4 hour structure. Okay, and I am waiting for a move from here, these levels. Okay, so this level is definitely a target for market. Okay, which is this level, this level. Okay, so because the market hits these fib levels, and then only that will continue. Okay, so then only market will continue, or else these all these moves will be full of liquidity hunting. Okay, stop loss hunts. Until and unless we don't get a respect from these levels, market will not move in a single direction. Okay, so market will be like sideways. Okay, up and down, hitting both buyers and sellers. Okay, traders, so you can see now low is liquidated, previous day low is liquidated. So probability is very less that the market can come down again. Okay, and it depends on the Trump meeting. So I really don't know when is the meeting gonna take place. So let me see. Okay, here we go. Qatar says no high-level US-Iran meeting scheduled in Doha. Qatar says no. So you see, there is no meeting. So yesterday there was a news meeting is there, and you see Qatar US-Iran technical meetings have not stopped. So you need to identify the news every now and then. Okay. This is very important. Okay, forex factory news is super important. And yesterday also I already shown you that peak US dollar strength. So dollar is super bullish. Okay, so that is why we were expecting this sell move also. I already gave you the intimation that if we are breaking this level, use a very small risk here. Even if you lost, not a problem. Even if your stop loss is hit, not a problem. So you can capture this sell move until our monthly, weekly low and the daily low. Okay, so I already gave you each and everything. Pretty simple. Okay, so you keep an eye on this. So let me check here. The next US-Iran meeting is scheduled to take place in Doha, Qatar on Tuesday, June 30, 2026. Context: President Donald Trump confirmed the talks on Monday, stating that Iran has requested the meeting to discuss disputes over Strait of Hormuz. Conflicting reports: while the White House indicated that Special Envoy Steve Witkoff and Jared Kushner would attend, senior Iranian negotiator Kazem Garibabadi denied that any talks were currently scheduled. Background: this diplomatic engagement follows a temporary pause in the hostilities and the recent signing of an Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding on June 17, 2026. So this is going on. So there are you see there are conflicting reports. Okay, so that is why market is also not stable, guys. Okay, so market is also not stable because the US dollar is not stable. Okay, so because of the US dollar manipulation, so gold is also being manipulated. Okay, so we need to be ready, we need to be prepared, we need to be prepared for everything. Okay guys, so please guys complete one like, only one like to go, hit 10 likes. Okay, so I'll be back in the US session. Okay, so I'll be back before the US session. Till then, now all the trades are gone. As of now, all the trades are gone. Okay, so if you miss the trades, don't worry traders. So Wednesday, Thursday, 2 days, I promise you there will be a lot of volatility and we'll be catching some beautiful moves. Okay, so don't worry. All right traders, any doubts, any queries? Thank you so much for all the 10 likes. So any doubts, any queries, so please let me know in the comment section. Hello brother, hello Mohammad Bilal, welcome brother, welcome to our stream. And a very good afternoon to you brother. I hope you are doing well, your family is doing wonderful. I hope everything is good. Understood guys, understood. And do we need to update anything over here? Let me see. Nah guys, until now no updates, because you see this was our 15-minute this is our 15-minute swing, and from this swing we respected the 38% level, but we were unable to break past this. Okay, so we were unable to break past this. So overall it's the same swing. Okay guys, overall it's the same swing. Timber01, hello brother, hello, welcome brother. Is it right to use Binance for USDT crypto transfer? USDT crypto transfer to your broker? You're talking about crypto transfer to your broker? It's absolutely fine bro, no problem at all. And just remember, Trust Wallet is also owned by Binance now. Okay, so you can use Trust Wallet as well, you can use Binance as well, and you can also use other are we missing anything over here? Are we missing anything? Anything? Let's have a look at the volume. It's absolutely fine bro. Tim bro, you can use your Binance wallet, it's absolutely safe. You can transfer your crypto or your USDT directly to your broker account. Okay, and if you're looking for a reliable broker, make sure you check out the links below, XM and Vantage. Okay, so both are the best reliable brokers as of now with the lowest spreads, and they're providing some pro accounts, ECN accounts, so you can check them out. Okay, so link is in the description. So if you're joining with my link, so you'll be getting some benefits, extra benefits, and everything is for free guys. Everything is for free. No single penny will be charged. Okay, everything is for free. I want you to make profits. And even if you don't want to use my link, it's absolutely fine. You directly go Google XM Vantage, you can open your accounts and you can start trading with me, guys. Yes, brother. Yes, Mohammed Bilal. Hello, brother. Hello. Yes, I'm doing absolutely fine. Actually, my mom was undergoing a treatment, a minor treatment, blood clot treatment. Okay, so still undergoing process and undergoing, but everything is for fine, bro. And pardon me, I'm extremely sorry I was not available for you guys. I know you guys missed me a lot, but yeah, from yesterday onwards, we are started, and now we'll be consistent. We'll be consistent, guys. We'll be consistent. So that is why I came live with the face cam, and soon I'll be getting a 4K camera, guys. So until now I'm using this integrated laptop's camera. Still you guys can see me, right? Hello, hello. Hello, bro. Hello. Still you guys can see me. This is laptop's integrated camera. So as of now I'm using this. Okay, so soon I'll be getting a 4K camera. Okay, so 4K HD camera for you guys, so video quality will be excellent. So until now we're gonna use this. So you can see this is my integrated camera. Okay, so this is my laptop's integrated camera as of now. So not a problem, guys, not a problem. And make sure, traders, you if new viewers, I've explained you a very simple strategies and I've already gave you the homework. So make sure you complete your homework. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be asking you questions. Okay, guys, so you can check out this part where I've explained you this simple strategy, but the most powerful strategy, guys, believe me. Yes, brother. Yes, yes. Recovery is going on, man. Everything is well. That's a minor treatment. Nothing, nothing to worry. But still, thank you for your concern, man. Thank you, Mohammed Bilal. Love you, bro. Love you. Thank you, thank you. Any doubts, any queries, man? Let me know. Any doubts, any queries? So you see, the simpler your analysis, the more profitable you become. This is, I don't understand this logic, but that's the reality. Because you see, everyone is behind like, oh, this and that, ICT, this and that, all those things. But no one focus on the simplicity. Okay, so if you focus on simplicity, if you try to identify the buyers and sellers and the retail stop losses, okay, you need to find the buyers and sellers like I have explained you over here. So day by day you need to continue follow the buyers and sellers, and you need to understand who is in control. Are the buyers in control? Are the sellers in control? Who is in control? So once you understand these few things, then market will be like easy for you guys. Okay, and liquidity is very important, guys. Liquidity is very important. After liquidity, volume is important. Okay, so there are few things very important which I'll be explaining you in my future videos. uh, and yeah, I'm there for you guys. And what is my goal? My goal is to make you guys profitable. Okay, in return I don't need anything, guys. I swear to God, I don't need anything. I swear my mother, I don't need anything from you guys. You start making profits. So you see, traders, now gold is trading near 4,000 level. So this is a huge opportunity for you guys. And analysts are saying that by 2030 gold is gonna hit 10k. Okay, 9k, 10k. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. It's time to create a fortune for ourselves, our family, our loved ones, our near dear ones. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity. Let's not miss this opportunity. And I'll be live on a daily consistent basis. Okay, I promise you on that. Don't worry, guys. And I'll also start updates on the Telegram channel as well. So make sure, if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, so link is in the description. And yeah, guys, so monthly and monthly levels we need to change tomorrow, because you can see today is the last trading day. Okay, 30th June. So today is the last trading day. So tomorrow, new month, new candle. Okay, a new beginning. So tomorrow we need to update all the levels. So let's keep it as it is. And now you already saw that now we took the previous day's low and all the liquidity lying below, which I have shown you yesterday, and now we are trading above this low. Okay, so There are few possibilities. I have already explained you. There are few possibilities. I daily, I'll explain you because you'll do it by heart. Okay, so you need to do it by heart. So there are very few possibilities. There are very few possibilities. Don't think too much. Don't think too much. The brain is very small. Okay, so don't take pressure. Don't take stress. Keep it simple. Okay, don't try to trade on a daily basis. Try to capture 2 3 trades in a week. Try to capture 2 to 3 trades. Even 1 to 2 trades are good, but try to capture the best risk reward trades. Okay, try to capture the best risk reward trades. So this liquidity is pretty much obvious now. Okay, so this liquidity, it's pretty much obvious, but as of now, you see, if I was you, I'll never trade. As of now, I'll never ever execute any positions as of now, because you see market is in middle. Okay, market is in middle, so this is the support, this is the resistance. So market is currently trading in the 50%. So discount level is already gone, premium level is already gone, so market is in between. So if you try to trade here, so anything could happen. You see, that meeting is also I don't think it's fixed. Okay, so let's see what happens. So let's see what happens. So until now, there's no news regarding the meeting. I don't know. Okay, so always keep checking the forex factory. So you can see over here, this is the calendar section, this is the news section. Okay, so you always be updated with these sections. Calendar section, and new viewers, let me explain you calendar section. So today is Tuesday 30th, and you can see over here, today we just have a orange folder news event, that is CB consumer confidence and JOLTS job openings. Okay, medium impact. And tomorrow important trading day, Wednesday July 1st. So tomorrow we have the ISM manufacturing PMI, and day after tomorrow, Thursday, very important trading day, super important, average hourly earnings, monthly non-farm employment change, and the unemployment rate. Okay, traders, so tomorrow and day after tomorrow, very very important. And on Friday we have a bank holiday in the United States, so most probably markets will be closed. Okay, so we have 2 days to go. So today already we missed many moves. So not a problem, traders. If you're missing moves, at least you're learning something. Try to learn and try to grow. Okay, so now don't try to enter. Market is in the middle. Okay, so I'll be live before the US session. If any doubts, any queries, so please let me know in the comment section. So I'll be ending this stream now, and yeah, please do your homework. Okay, please do your homework. Please do your homework, right? So tomorrow I'll be asking you questions, so please complete your homework. Okay, so I'll be giving you homework on a daily basis. So yeah, so make sure you join our Telegram channel, so you'll get updated whenever I'm coming live. Okay, so no money, no fees involved, nothing. Okay, everything is for free, guys. And my main goal is you must make profits. That's it, guys. If you earn money with the help of my analysis, I win. That's it. I need nothing in return. Okay, so all I need is you to make profits. So you accumulate some money and you deposit into your trading account. And if you have any doubts on what lot sizes, how to manage your risk reward, everything, so I'll be explaining you, feel free to ask. Okay, so don't be shy, feel free to ask. So this is our community. So welcome to Precious Pips community, all new viewers. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, join our Telegram channel. And if you're looking for reliable brokers, so links are in the description, so check them. XM and Vantage, check them as well. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next stream before the US session. All right, so any doubts, any queries, so please comment. So I'm ending this stream right now. Any doubts, any queries? So please comment. I'm ending this stream right now. I'll be right back before the US session. All right, guys, thank you for all your love and support. So keep supporting me, and let's grow our community. Okay, so all I want is you to make profits. Okay, guys, so I'll catch you in the next stream before the US session. I'll catch you there. Till then, peace out. Happy trading, guys. Happy trading.